Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung A34 5G. So at the same start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. In the most gadgets you have to enable a pair mode. How to do it you will find on your YouTube channel maybe in the manual instruction to your device. So if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but not on your phone, let's get started. Okay, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just simply restart Bluetooth connection. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume down and click restart. It's a little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works. Okay, if you still don't have your device, it's time to open the settings, slide down to the general management and look for the reset. Now choose reset network settings. How you can see Bluetooth is included here, so tap on the reset settings, configure pattern and click reset. Then look for your Bluetooth accessory again. The next tip, try to update your system. If you have any updates, look for it in the software update, tap on the download and install, and if you have any updates available, just download it and install. Then look for your device. And last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.